Hello guys and welcome back to our video. This is our third and last video of our design and thinking assignment series. In our previous two videos, we have discussed why students make wrong decisions while choosing their careers. We have also given some solutions for how we can prevent that. However, now it is our time, considering all the conditions, we have come up with the idea to help students and their parents in many ways. In this video, we would like to share our vision with you guys. We want to know your feedback and suggestions after watching this video to help us out and improve our prototype. Now, let's come to the critical part. In our previous video, we concluded that here lack of knowledge among students and their parents is a significant issue while choosing a career because it leads the students to make a wrong decision. We have discussed these facts and cases in our first video and the solution in our second video. If you haven't watched it, check it out. The links in the description. Our idea is to create a website because it is easily accessible to everyone nowadays and it is also easy to manage. Therefore, this website will help students to take right decisions choosing their careers. This video will be an outlook for our website and its feature and help students and their parents as well. So let's begin. Mentioned above are the features of our website that anyone can opt for free. But we will also provide a special paid quality for those students who can afford our subscription plan. We will give them a platform to connect to our counselors, which will help those students and their parents as well to get proper guidance with the help of those educated, skilled and experienced person. This will be a one-time payment facility, which means you have to pay for one-time counselor fee only. And this meeting will be held totally on an online basis. If they are not satisfied with the solution, they further ask for additional assistance with the same subscription. Subject guide. Nowadays, many students are getting confused about their career paths after class 10th and 12th as they don't know which subject leads to which career. We will add a subject guide on our website which will show all the possible career paths after the class 10th and 12th with the help of a flowchart. This flowchart consists of every viable option available to a typical student. A flowchart will help the student to make choices among the available ones, which can lead them to right decisions. For example, what will be the aspects after choosing maths as their main subject, or say biology, or any like that. Whether he or she prefer to be an engineer or a doctor, or you can say a chef, or anything of their choice. Top 10 career list of India. Let's be honest, money is the best motivator when it comes to choosing a career path. This list will help students to figure out which career path can lead them to a happy life. We will update our list every year so that every student can grasp their promising career. Irrespective of student's level, beginner or say middle level, these will help them decide the direction they want to go in next and help them find the best jobs in India. This list also tells them about the skills and degrees required to get into the jobs to decide on their own whether they can see opportunities in these jobs or not. Aptitude test. An aptitude test is a way for students to access their abilities through various testing formats. This includes problem solving, prioritization, and numerical skills, amongst other things. This test will help students know what subjects they are good on to decide which stream can be best for them. This aptitude will focus on subjects and the practical use of the particular subjects they are good at to help them figure out their valuable benefits. Skill test quizzes. Every job requires a certain set of professional skills, from communication to leadership to decision making. It's often difficult to find a job or to advance in your career without having a core set of abilities. We will add skill quizzes on our website which will help students know their current skill sets to decide whether they have the required skill set to get in their dream job or which job they should opt for their current skill inventory. This will help both students who have fixed their goals and those who don't know what they want. Creative Field Guide. In India, there are many types of work out there. Still, generally students try to achieve mainstream goals, majorly a doctor or an engineer. But there are many creative options like photography, filmmaking, visual arts and many more. So, we'll include a different guide for this to help students. If they are interested in any specific field they want, we will also have skills required which will help students to take up with. Indian Growing Career List. This list consists of careers that are currently growing in India. These are generally skill-based careers, but they are new, so there is less competition. But students have to work hard on it. This career includes social media influencing, gaming industries or esports, vlogging, blogging, YouTubing, and many more. This list will inform the current trend and status of these fields so that they can keep an eye on them. Work from home careers. Due to the current state of pandemic, work from home became a necessity. This section of our website will help students to see which jobs will provide them a career on which they can work from home. Mentioned above are the features of our website that anyone can opt for free. But we will also provide a special paid quality for those students who can afford our subscription plan. We will give them a platform to connect to our counselors, which will help those students and their parents as well to get proper guidance with the help of those educated, skilled and experienced person. This will be a one-time payment facility, which means you have to pay for one-time counselor fee only. And this meeting will be held totally on an online basis. If they are not satisfied with the solution, they further ask for additional assistance with the same subscription. So, this website is mainly focused on those type of students whose parents cannot have a subscription to any paid product. That's why we have kept the majority of our features free so that anyone can get benefit from it. We also have feedback management that will keep an eye on students' feedback and their suggestions to improve our website in real time. So, this is our vision of an approach to the problem of the students taking wrong decisions while choosing a career. I hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or ideas, please do mention them in our feedback Google form in the description box. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy.